Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Spice Shop Layout Pack we think you're going to love. The Spice Shop Layout Pack is bursting with powerful imagery and clean layouts. Perfect for promoting those spices, and the layouts have some unique elements too, including a collection of custom illustrations and beautiful images that can be used to promote different spices. And the subtle motion effects added to these images are a really nice touch. The pack also includes many versatile layouts, including a dedicated shop page to make it easy to set up your store, and also a recipe page for featuring recipes on your blog. So check it out today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new Spice Shop Layout Pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your web page from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, and you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. And now you're ready to start creating all of your pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new Spice Shop Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one you want and click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to go ahead and start editing your layout here, or click Save and Publish and continue on adding your new pages and pre-made layouts. And once you're finished creating all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts, you're ready to add a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. You can use the menu structure area to organize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to select your display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And once that's done, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page with its corresponding home page pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Spice Shop Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.